Sounds like it's idling low. Is it? Huh? Keep it running through the creek. Just go straight. Hey, that log right there, just stay to the fort. Just head for the right of the point of that log. Straight, it's nice. Hey, hey, you hit that rock right there. Look behind you. I'm coming. You want to take the seat and the filter off? You want to take the seat and the filter off? Yeah. Dude, I got that on camera too. Is it red light, right?
Yeah.
That big rock right there. You hit that big fucker right there.
Did I?
Yeah, because it was just all dirt was coming after you.
I just fucking hit it. You said, boom.
When I came over last week and I was on that same line, then I saw that and I was able to just get the tire over it and cleared it. You didn't see it. Come here, Larry! The pipe went down. That doesn't look too bad. You want to look in there and before we fire it, make sure all that. Yeah, that's a nice filter. That's nice. We ought to stand it maybe straight up in case something went in the pipe, the exhaust. If we hold the, look at, we'll each of us get on each side, hold the brake, and then we'll just try to stand it straight up. Okay, yeah, you got the back brake. To kind of, he can take the tire. Okay. Got it. We want you to pick up on the tire. We're just going to stand it and see what comes out of the pipe.
Hold on. See, when I went down before, it was full.
Yeah.
There was water into here.
Yeah.
It'll be okay.
Are them, I've been shopping for boots. Are them Gardenets waterproof? Just pick straight up on the tire. We're going to hold the brake.
Oh, I'm doing all the lifting.
No, we are too. We're doing the smart part. Yeah, get your goggles on. This safety.
Okay.
Straight up. You got the bike, Pat? Balance the bike. Can we just let it go? Let it go a little further. Not all the way though.
There's nothing in there.
Well, you know what? You're just going to come down to the side and hanger. Got her? Now you got to sell it. Once you go down the creek, you got to sell them. I got the bike.
So you can't even hand crank it over now, can you? No, I haven't tried to start it yet. I mean, at my hand. No, because you got your stupid clutch there.
Oh yeah, if you would have had a clutch, you could have lobbed right over that top step.
I just pinned it. A lot of finesse there, Pat.
A lot of panic.